Thank you for joining us. 23-year-old Chandler Halderson is in much worse legal trouble tonight than he was 24 hours ago. Prosecutors today charged him with killing and mutilating his father. Meanwhile, Halderson's mother is still missing, and we're learning plenty of new details about what investigators know so far and what they're still trying to piece together. Madeline O'Neill is here to tell us the latest.
Charlotte, we now know more human remains were found in a new location near Sauk City yesterday. That's after Bart Halderson's remains were found in the Cottage Grove area. The details come from a 14-page criminal complaint just released today ahead of a press conference with the Dane County Sheriff. He says detectives are still working hard to provide some answers about what happened to the Windsor couple.
And our priority is to provide the Halderson family with answers to give them peace and closure throughout this tragic event. We have them in our thoughts and prayers every day.
That's as every day, detectives' investigations take them somewhere new.
The Dane County Sheriff's Office detectives and investigators will follow every lead provided.
The latest lead uncovered a second site with body parts on DNR land near Sauk City.
We actually obtained a photo of Chandler being in that general area, which is...
The Dane County Sheriff didn't know if those remains were male or female. He's still waiting on the medical examiner's report. But the ME did identify Bart Halderson's remains. Thursday's criminal complaint says they were found on property in Cottage Grove, owned by someone Halderson knew and went to visit 2 days before he reported his parents missing. According to court documents, detectives came upon Bart Halderson's torso, along with a saw and other tools nearby.
This is still a very active and ongoing investigation.
At the center of it all is the 23-year-old son Chandler, whose unusual behavior and inconsistent story is described by witnesses in those court documents. Detectives interviewed Chandler, who told police his father got mad at him when he broke their fireplace.
It's a lot of crime scene investigators to be there in order for us to process every inch of that residence.
The criminal complaint says after asking for an attorney, Chandler kept talking, saying he wanted to go back and tell the detective everything. He added he, quote, didn't feel bad about what he did, and, quote, you don't know the whole story. The whole story is what detectives are working toward, including finding Chandler's mother, Krista Halderson.
At this moment, we are optimistic that Krista is still alive and well, and we will let the evidence from our investigation tell us otherwise.
Chandler Halderson's bond is set at $1 million. The Dane County Sheriff's Office is welcoming any and all tips and information. You can give them a call at this number.